Okay, so I'm making this video to show how to add a vertical alignment when you don't have geometric data for the vertical alignment. So as you can see here, I have a vertical alignment with stationing, but there is no vertical component to it. And according to our plans, all we get is this. So we have this dashed line in the background for the vertical alignment, but there is no data that tells exactly what it is. So I'm going to show you how to bring this line in and use it as your vertical alignment. The first thing is you need to import the sheet as a PDF. If you go here, it'll look like this. And the first thing you need to do is check to make sure that your line is joined and that you have you need to note down a spot where you know the exact elevation stationing. So in this case, I know that this point right here is 47 plus 0, 0 with an elevation of 858. So knowing that, the first thing is I need to scale this image. So I'll select everything. I'll go to scale, and I know that it has different horizontal and vertical components. I know the horizontal is 600 and the Y is 60. And you can check that by using the measurement tool. And I'm going to do it from 0, 0. Okay. So now that I've got that, I can sort through here and I can click the line I want. And now I'm going to use the command copy to profile. Come on. Copy to profile. And so the profile I want to copy it to is Nick Davis Road, and all I have to do is hit apply. And it doesn't look like it did anything, but it should have done it. Now I'll close out of this, go to my plan view, go to corridors, profile, and you can see it's been added. But it has not been aligned properly with the profile or with the alignment, so now I need to move it. So click on it, CAD, move, and I'm going to move it from that station I noted earlier. So I'm going to move it here, and I'm going to move it to, instead of using a northing and easting, I'm going to use a station and elevation. So I know I'm at station 47 plus 0, 0 with an elevation of 858. So once I hit apply, and then I'll zoom to extents, you could tell it worked because my cursor lines up from the profile view and the plan view. So I can close out of that. So now the only thing left to do is to click on my alignment, go to edit, go to vertical, and you notice there's nothing in here right now. I have to do append selected line. And let me reopen that. And line to append, I'm going to select this line and hit OK. And you can see here it actually uses that line to elevate my alignment. Now, one downside of this is that it creates grade breaks instead of doing arcs. But for this job, this should be sufficient. So now if I go to 3D view, you can see that the line has been elevated. Yeah. So this is a bit of a workaround technique, but I found it pretty useful. Not sure if this would be super useful for anybody out there, but I thought it was kind of cool. So hope y'all enjoy.